This 2022 Keystone Springdale 220RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, external shower, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, awning, air conditioning, LP detector, skylight, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Springdale 220RD is 4,799 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.